Okay, Micro Mod Dude here again, and we got our first run here of the Redcat Volcano brushless 4x4 truck from Redcat. And basically we're gonna take it for a spin right now. Basically my first time taking it out, and let's see what this bad boy can do. And where's my assistant here, who's gonna take it out for a ride here for us? Okay, and let's see what it does. All right, let's rip it up. Okay, here he goes. Check it out. Is mine faster? It's slow? I knew she was gonna say that. Look at it rip. It's not that bad. It's pretty good. Is it?
This is way 10 times faster than this.
I think it runs pretty good if you ask me.
No, am I gonna put a faster motor?
Of course I am. She already wants a brushless upgrade. Wow. But I wasn't gonna spend $100 more for the brushless version, the EPX Pro, because I got all the parts already. I have a brushless motor, I got a brushless CSC. I'm gonna pull everything out from my my Hobby King Vandal, pull that bad boy out, put it in this bad boy, and but honestly I think it's pretty good for brushless. I mean, for brushed, you know. This uses a Redcat. This doesn't use a LiPo battery at all, so it's only 2-cell NIM battery, whatever you call that thing. But I think it goes pretty good. You know, look at it. I think it rips. We're gonna get it fixed for you. Don't worry about it.
That's full gas.
That's full gas. I think it's pretty good.
No, but you have to make it
I don't know. I think it does really good. We got to do some jumps on it, and if you go straight down that one little lane right here, it'll jump up. You know.
Well, that's hard to do.
Bring it over here this way and try to make it jump. But from the other way, from over here though. This way, from over here. Come over here on this way. From over here on this side, yeah. And just look, bring it back more, all the way back. All the way back, all the way back, and then turn it. Okay, turn it. All right, now take it straight right here, straight away right there. Take it for a jump. Boom! It didn't even jump, huh? What happened to the buggy when you did that? The buggy, she knows how to put the brakes on and everything. She's been riding, my kid's 12 years old. She's been doing these RCs for over 5, 6 years, 7 years maybe. So she knows how to do all this. She knows how to fly drones. She knows how to ride the boats. I'm surprised she knew how to fly a drone. I got her the Iching E011 drone. She flew that sucker, no problem. So, you know, RCs are pretty good for kids because you know, it keeps them away from their tablets, the computers. They're always stuck on that thing. They don't like to go outside no more. Like back in the day, we used to play a lot. So RCs are good for kids. So for you parents out there, get your kid an RC, man. Get them off those tablets, and you know, they're hooked on that stuff. Because this is fun for kids. They really do like this stuff. You just got to push them towards it and encourage them. All right, great. This is a good for kid. I like it. So the box says 14 and up, but you know, as you see, my kid's 12. She probably could do this when she was 9 or 8, no problem. But yeah, there it is. You know, it's the Volcano from Redcat, brushed motor setup. Comes ready to run with the transmitter, the battery, a charger. Oh, by the way, the charging on this thing took about 2 hours. It took a long time. I already bought a converter from Banana Plug to a EX10, I think they're called. I have a charger that could do this thing a lot faster, but I don't know. I might just have to go brushless, where we might have to do away with all that. So we'll see what happens. But there it is. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And until next time, We're out. Boom.